Parang yung iba niyang parang pumangit yung kanta. Parang pumangit yung kanta. Hindi pa back to the start.
Alright, Marvin! How are you feeling? Alright, tatanungin natin ang ating clash battle. Ano ba sa akin yun?
Sige ako muna, Marian. It's been a while since narinig ko tong The Scientist from Coldplay. And thank you for singing that again kasi I would love this generation to hear that song again. Yung voice mo talaga, no, very unique and talaga very sweet and yung tone niya and quality is very, very now. So, mas pang Gen Z siya. Although, talagang na-feel ko yung nervous mo na sinabi mo kanina, nag-shake ka sa gitna. You need to get parang more of that toughness para smooth yung mga performance. Okay? So, thank you very much.
Wow! Grabe, Gen Z! Anyway, Marian, ikaw ba ay na-inlove ka na ba? Or ngayon ay meron kang crush? Or meron kang napupusuan?
Ano po, may manliligaw.
Yari ka sa tatay mo, hindi tatay mo.
Kasi diba, yung music na The Scientist, ano naman siya eh, it's a metaphor. Metaphor. What is a metaphor? Metaphor ay apat na mata. Metaphor. Apat na mata. Metaphor.
Ang galing!
Metaphor siya.
Tama naman, metaphor.
Literal na The
Apat na
Scientist.
Ang galing! No? Ang galing!
Yan ba ang pinanta mo kasi gusto mong ma-solve ang problems nila?
Actually po, yung meaning ko kasi ng song sa akin is parang, syempre, nandito na ako sa industry na ganito. Tapos, yung manliligaw is, wala naman siya sa showbiz. Parang ang hirap kasi ng time, so apart kami. Mahirap po talaga, so, yun.
Pero hayaan mo, pag dumating yung panahon, maiintindihan ka rin niya kung ano yung mundong ginagalawan mo. But for now, thank you for Marvin, I think you have a lovely voice. I was looking for a little bit more intensity in your singing, and also I think I was looking for dynamics because when you're singing a particular song, I would always try to look for the different dimensions in your voice or in the way you sing because that way yun yung parang pwedeng magbigay ng imagination sa isip namin kasi yun yung nakakadagdag eh. So, no doubt about it, You've got that voice. So I guess you just work on more of the dynamics, more of the expressiveness in your voice as well. Just like I said, I like your performance and your voice. All right.
Thank you po.
Thank you.